two blocks of masses 5 kilograms and 3 kg respectively are connected by a light string that runs over a light frictionless pulley as shown in the diagram below. The 5 kg block experiences a frictional force of 8 newtons. 8 newtons, and the coefficient of kinetic friction between the 3 kg block and the surface is 0.15. Okay. Define the term frictional force. Okay, definition sayazi. Draw a labeled free body diagram to indicate all the forces acting on the 3 kg block. Draw a free body diagram to indicate all the forces acting on the 3 kg block. So we have tension. So iblock lethu lizokwehla liyezansi positive. Khumbula frictional force it always is opposite the motion of an object and it is parallel to the surface of, yes. Ish. That is the definition of a frictional force. It's always parallel to the surface and always opposes the motion. Okay, la amama kubasincushile. Bahlase befuna siveze lama-forces awu-3. But I don't think if uveze i-normal force, wrong. Kodwa imvama silawulwa yini? Amamaka awu-3. And ama-force ebebawafuna kakhulu and i-question yabo ibingekho clear ukuthi bafuna maphi ama-force. So abakwazi ukusirongisa if usifake normal force. So we have a tension force, we have frictional force, we have Fg. Now we check the capital letter Y. Okay, that is the free body diagram for 3 kg block. Okay, sinangapa singayidrosha a free body diagram for 5 kg block. Ngapha sine normal force, sino Fg, sine tension force, sine frictional force. Ngenhlanhla la sinikeziwe ukuthi u-8 newtons i-frictional force yakhona. Kodwa ngapha sinikeza u-μk kuphela ukuthi ulingana no-0.15. So i-question elandelayo ithi-ke calculate the magnitude of the frictional force acting between the 3 kg block and the surface of the inclined. So ukhumbule ukuthi khona i-force eyehlala Fg parallel yezansi yiyo le emuvisa i-object yaphansi. So Fnet wethu, Fnet is equal to MA, then i-force yaphansi u-Fg parallel. Ama-force aphezulu siyawa-subtracta, tension minus frictional force. So laba calculate the magnitude of the frictional force, I'm sorry. Khumbule la sino-FG perpendicular, sine-normal force. So i-normal force yethu izolingana no-FG perpendicular. FG perpendicular olingana no-mg cos of theta. I-mass sidila ngo-3 kg block times 9,8 cos of 30. Normal force yethu 3 times 9,8 times cos of 30. Lokho kuzosinikeza 25,46 newtons. Now bese sifuna-ke i-frictional force besithi Fk is equal to mu k times the normal force oku 0,15 times normal force yethu 25,46 times 0,15 3,819 2 newtons frictional force leyo. Okay, so ngezansi sebefuna i-tension force sesikhathi sisebenzisa-ke le formula ya-F-net. F-net okay, cela uzoyibhala la ngizoba nesikhala lana ngabhala ukuthi u-FK waku-3 kg block simthola u-3,8192 newtons. F-net is equal to MA. So since the block layer phansi ama-forces are positive, laws of a positive, frictional force, laws of a negative, laws of a negative, FG parallel is over positive. So FG parallel, subtract tension, subtract frictional force is equal to MA. Law FG parallel is over MG sin theta minus T minus F is equal to MA. Mass yala 3 times 9,8 sine angle 30. Tension tension yala asiyazi sifuna yona. Frictional force 3,8192 is equal to mass 3. I-acceleration asiyazi 3A. So lo uzosinikeza ini? So it's 3 times 9,8 times sine of 30 kusinikeza 14,7 minus tension minus 3,1892 is equal to 3A. 14 minus 3,1892 kusinikeza 11,51 minus T is equal to 3A. So singasho ukuthi this is equation number 1. Bese siza ku-5 kg block. Nakhona i-focus yethu ikulama forces which are horizontal or parallel to the surface. So F net is equal to MA. So since it leaves here right, so together right to positive. So tension force is over positive. The frictional force here left is over negative. Is equal to MA. Tension force asifuna yona ngapha sinikeze ukuthi u-8. Mass yangapha u-5. A. So this is equation number 2. So singawahlanganisa ama-equations wethu. Thathe le engizoyibeka la. So 11,51 minus T is equal to 3A So uT loya uzokwehla njengoba enjalo, minus 8 ehle njengoba enjalo. Siyawahlanganisa. Bu-plus 11,51 ehle njengoba enjalo, minus T is equal to 5A plus 3A. So i-tension tension zokhansela leya tension, sisale minus 8 plus 11 usikhiphela u-3,5108. 5A plus 3A kuzoba 8A divided by 8 on both sides. Acceleration kuzoba 0,0438 meters per square second. So mase sifuna i-tension sesithatha i-equation eyodwa kulawo 2, singathi T minus 8 is equal to 5A. T minus 8 is equal to 5. Nakhona khona A sifaka 0,438. So T is equal to times 5. That is 2,194 plus lawyer 8 lawyer. Nasentranspose eza ngapha. Then i-tension yethu izoba ubani? Tension izoba 10,19 newtons. Tension yethu A level.